Number 1.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, clean and reliable pickup with 170,000 miles and an automatic transmission, powered by a gasoline engine. Finished in black with a gray interior, this truck has been approximately 80% restored and is completely rust-free. It has been thoroughly rebuilt and refreshed, including a fully rebuilt rear end, new brakes and lines, emergency brake cables, shocks, U-bolts, driveshaft, axle seals, bearings, and taillights. Any rust was professionally removed and replaced with welded metal. The truck also features a new interior, ceramic window tint with warranty, a fully replaced fuel system, new air conditioning with upgraded refrigerant, fresh paint, bed liner, full undercoating, and new tires. Not a show truck, but a solid classic that drives well and earns respect, ready for its next owner.
Number 2.
1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,000. It features a striking orange exterior paired with a clean gray interior, giving the truck a bold and distinctive appearance. Powered by a gasoline engine, it has been consistently reliable and has not given its owner any problems. The 4x4 system functions properly, making it a dependable choice for various road conditions, whether for daily driving or occasional off-road use. The truck is also upgraded with an aftermarket sound system that includes dual 12-inch subwoofers, providing powerful and high-quality audio. Additionally, it is fitted with a KN cold air intake, which enhances airflow and contributes to improved engine performance. This Sierra has proven its reliability by completing an over 8-hour drive without any issues at all.
Number 3. 1990 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,500, classic full-size pickup that combines durability with dependable V8 performance. It is powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it has 163,000 miles on the odometer. This gasoline-powered truck runs and drives well, delivering the kind of reliability these models are known for. It comes with a clean title, providing added peace of mind for the next owner. Overall, it remains in good driving condition, with the only known issue being a non-functioning air conditioning system that will require a replacement AC compressor. With its solid performance and classic styling, this 1990 GMC Sierra 1500 makes a great option for anyone looking for a dependable and straightforward pickup. Number 4.
1994 Ford F-150, price $10,000, comes equipped with a classic 5.0L V8 engine and has only 100,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic E4OD transmission, rear-wheel drive, and retains its original red metallic exterior paired with a tan interior. Powered by gasoline, this regular cab truck also includes factory dual 30-gallon fuel tanks, making it both practical and reliable for extended driving. The transmission shifts properly, and the factory rear axle setup remains intact. All VIN information matches the vehicle, confirming it as a genuine 5.0L model. Inside, the truck showcases classic 1990s Ford styling with comfortable bench seating. The body and paint display normal wear consistent with its age, yet the truck remains solid and well preserved. It has not been modified or altered, maintaining its original condition throughout.
Number 5. 2000 Dodge Ram 1500, price $4,999. Powered by a V8 Magnum engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 163,000 miles on the odometer, this gasoline-powered truck continues to run and drive great, delivering the strong performance and reliability the Ram lineup is known for. It comes with a clean title, giving added peace of mind to its next owner. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a gray interior, this Ram offers seating for up to 6 passengers, making it both practical and spacious. The interior provides comfortable rear seating, making it suitable for family use as well as job site duties. Its short bed design allows for easier maneuverability while still maintaining excellent hauling capability. Equipped with a powerful V8 engine, this truck is well suited for work, towing, or everyday driving. Number 6.
1986 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,500. The truck has 138,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a black exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. Powered by a 350 SBC engine mated to a TH400 transmission, this truck runs and drives well and is used almost daily by its current owner. It remains in great overall condition for a 40-year-old vehicle, though it is not a show truck nor represented as perfect. The body has been repainted at some point in its life and presents better from a distance than up close. The windshield is cracked, and the only noted rust is approximately quarter-sized on the passenger side inner rocker. Overall, it is described as a very solid truck.
It also benefits from a new Edelbrock carburetor, contributing to its dependable performance. Number 7. 1991 GMC 3500, price $8,500, showing 225,000 miles and equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, under the hood, it features a strong 454 engine paired with Hedman headers, delivering dependable power. The truck runs and drives well with no overheating issues and is equipped with an overdrive transmission for improved highway cruising. It also comes with both air conditioning and a heater, adding comfort for year-round driving. Set up and ready to tow, the truck includes a fifth-wheel hitch in the bed, making it ideal for hauling trailers. Overall, it remains in good working condition, though there is a tear on the driver's seat, a slight exhaust leak where the header meets the piping, and a minor dent on the passenger door. Number 8. 1972 Chevrolet C20, price $10,000, powered by a strong 350 V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission. This gasoline-powered truck delivers the dependable performance expected from a classic Chevrolet. It features an eye-catching orange exterior complemented by a white interior. The truck retains its original paint, proudly displaying a natural patina that adds character and authenticity rather than detracting from its appeal. While there are a few missing trim pieces on the bed, mostly minor details, the interior remains approximately 95% original and is in decent condition, showing careful preservation over the years. It starts with the help of a jumper and runs well once started. The truck is equipped with a good set of tires on all four corners, making it ready to be driven and enjoyed. Number 9. 1978 GMC K-15, price $7,000. Although it does not currently run, it is considered a complete project truck, with all major components present under the hood. Powered by a 350 engine and equipped with a 4x4 drivetrain, this K-15 offers a strong foundation for a full rebuild or custom restoration. The interior remains in decent condition for its age, making it a promising base for refurbishment. It also features a classic worn winch and heavy-duty bumper, adding both vintage character and functional value. Overall, this 1978 GMC K-15 presents a worthwhile opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a traditional four-wheel drive project with authentic styling and solid potential. Number 10. 1988 GMC 1500, price $3,500. This truck comes with 280,000 miles and an automatic transmission, finished in a silver exterior. The truck is equipped with a strong 4x4 system and features a rebuilt engine, making it a solid and dependable option for work or daily driving. It runs and drives well, showing that it has been properly maintained over the years. With its high mileage, automatic transmission, and rebuilt motor, this classic GMC still performs reliably on and off the road. Although it does not have a title, it is old enough that only a bill of sale is required for registration in many areas, which can simplify the paperwork process.